In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the price of a product in WooCommerce, whether you're running a sale, adjusting for market changes, or simply updating your inventory. Knowing how to modify product pricing is an essential skill for managing your online store. It's quick, it's straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident making these updates on your own. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens in managing your WooCommerce store. Simply use your credentials to access the back end of your site. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. Everything you need to manage your store can be found here. Now look over to the left-hand menu. You'll see a section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the products currently in your WooCommerce store. This page is essentially your catalog, showing you all the items you're offering, along with their stock status, prices, and other key details. It's a good idea to scroll through and make sure you're familiar with where everything is before proceeding. Next, locate the product whose price you want to change. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the product, hover your cursor over its name. You'll notice a few options appear beneath the product title. Click on the one that says Edit. This will take you to the product editing screen where you can make any necessary changes to this specific item. Once you're on the editing page, scroll down until you see the product data box. You'll find this section just below the main product description area. This box is where you can manage all the details of the product, including pricing, inventory, shipping, and more. For now, we're focusing on the pricing, so let's keep things simple. Inside the product data box, you'll notice several tabs running horizontally across the top. Click on the tab labeled General. This is where the pricing fields are located. Once you're in the General tab, you'll see two fields, one for regular price and another for sale price. Let's start with the regular price field. This is the standard price of the product, the amount customers will pay unless you've applied a discount. Simply click into the field and type in the new price you'd like to set for this product. Be sure to use the correct currency and format based on your store's settings. If you're planning to run a sale or offer a temporary discount, you can also set a sale price. This field is optional, but it's a great way to entice customers with a lower price point. When you enter a value here, WooCommerce will automatically display the discounted price on the product page, along with the original price crossed out to highlight the savings. If you're not running a sale, you can leave this field blank. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check the prices you've entered. Accuracy is key here. You don't want to accidentally overcharge or undercharge your customers. Once you're confident everything looks correct, it's time to save your changes. Finally, head over to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue Update button. Click on it to save your changes. WooCommerce will automatically apply the new pricing to the product on your storefront. You can visit your store's product page to verify that the updates have been made successfully. And that's it. You've just updated the price of a product in WooCommerce. It's a simple process, but one that makes a big difference in keeping your store up to date and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.